Hey everyone, I've been seeing a lot of buzz lately about the HPE ProLiant ML350 Gen12 server, especially from small business owners and IT teams looking to step up their virtualization game without breaking the bank. I finally got my hands on one, and after running it through some real-world tests, I think it's worth sharing what I've found. If you're curious about the specs or want to see the current price on Amazon, the link is in the description. This thing is built for balance. It's not some overkill monster server, but it's definitely not a basic office tower either. The ML350 Gen12 sits right in the sweet spot for small to mid-sized businesses that need reliable performance for virtualization, databases, or even light AI workloads. The base model I tested comes with a 12-core Intel Xeon 6505P processor, which is no slouch. It's got enough muscle to handle multiple virtual machines at once, and with DDR5 memory support, you can scale up to 2 TB if you ever need to, though mine came with a solid 64 GB out of the box. Storage is where this server really shines. It's got 8 small form factor, SFF, bays, so you can mix and match SSDs and HDDs depending on your needs. The unit I tested came with a 960 GB SSD, and let me tell you, boot times and file transfers are lightning fast compared to older spinning drives. Plus, the included HPE MR408i RAID controller gives you hardware-level protection with RAID 0, 1, 5, 6, 10, and 50 options. I set up a RAID 10 array for redundancy and it's been rock solid, no data loss, no slowdowns. One thing I really appreciate is the dual 800W power supplies. Not only do they provide plenty of juice for expansion, but they also add redundancy. If one PSU fails, the server keeps chugging along without a hiccup. That's a huge plus for businesses where uptime is critical. And speaking of reliability, the HPE ILO 6 management engine is built right in. You can monitor the server remotely, update firmware, even power cycle it if it freezes, all from your phone or laptop. It's like having a little IT assistant built into the hardware. Now, let's talk about noise and size. This isn't a quiet little desktop, it's a full tower server, so expect some fan noise under heavy load. It's not obnoxious, but if you're used to a silent office environment, you might notice it. As for space, it's big. You'll need room on your rack or desk, but the trade-off is that you get enterprise-grade performance in a form factor that's still manageable for smaller setups. On the software side, this thing runs Windows Server and VMware like a dream. I virtualized a few test environments, Active Directory, a small SQL database, even a couple of Ubuntu VMs, and everything ran smoothly. The Xeon 6505P handled it all without breaking a sweat, and the DDR5 memory kept latency low. I also ran some stress tests using tools like Prime95 and Crystal Diskmark, and the server stayed cool and stable throughout. So, who's this server really for? If you're a small business owner running a few virtual machines, a developer needing a local server for testing, or even a home lab enthusiast looking to build a powerful virtualization rig, this is a fantastic option. It's not the cheapest thing in the world, but when you compare it to building a similar system from scratch, the price is actually pretty reasonable for what you get. Pros-wise, the performance is top-notch for the price, the storage flexibility is great, and the built-in management tools save a ton of time. The only real downsides are the noise and size. It's not something you can tuck away in a drawer. But if you've got the space and don't mind a little hum, this server is a workhorse. If you're still on the fence, I'd say go for it. The ML350 Gen12 is a solid investment for anyone who needs reliable, scalable performance without the complexity of a full-blown data center setup. Check the link below if you want to see the current price and availability on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.